Alright, how's it going, guys? Back out there with another video on the on Chancellor G. So this video we're going to be doing a snacks again. It's been a while since we've done this, so tell you this time it's not a Universal Snacks, but my cousin went to Ireland about at the beginning of July, and they actually went to I think they went to a store in Ireland and got some snacks from Ireland. It's like the first piece is this little piece of candy. It's a Eskimo mint. And I'll have to try it. But I'm gonna have to save that one because it's gonna mess up the flavor on the other stuff. So we also got the Irish assorted sweets. Also got the dairy milk caramel. And let me get this. Hold on. Yeah, this camera's falling off. It's not getting hold. And so we also got these cheese and onion Tay 70 cheese and onion. So I'm gonna start off with this candy bar real quick. Let's see. How do you open this? Oh wait, hold on. So, oh, this is ugh. Let's see. I'm melting, but I'm gonna try this. Okay. It's actually pretty good. Alright. The Tay 70 cheese and onions are next. It's actually pretty good. Could've got some good snacks from Ireland. And got the Irish assorted sweets. Yeah, so the Universal Snacks haven't been making, but I'm hopefully gonna try to get to those pretty soon. I need to get to those. Let's see. Oh, this is really hard to open. Oh. Let's see what we got here. We got iced caramels, Irish cream liquefier fudge, an Irish whiskey fudge, chocolate macaroons, and fruit drops. Oh, there's another bag in there. Let's see, I'm gonna try to find. There's let's see, Irish dairy cream fudge. Oh, this doesn't even. Wait. This is not bad. So, and let's see. So, it's not bad, but left to do. But now for the last part, got the mint. These ones you suck on because they're not bite candies. I think they're suck candies. And that's exactly like a normal mint. So make sure you like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Let's try to get this let's try to get this channel to 200 subs. Boom.